is everything that we got today from Parrot Inn. We got some of the pigeons' food, some more parrot pellets, and then some luxury finch food. I find my finches prefer this food to the normal finch food that you can buy for budgies and stuff. Also got some dewormer and then some vitamins just for the birds. Then I finally found some more of these. These toys are some of my two parrots' favourite toys. I get to tear them apart, rip them apart. They don't last very long, but you know what, if it gives them 2 seconds of joy, that's all that matters. Also found this really cool dog rope toy, and I know that they really like to take these apart. I got this really nice, I like these hard plastic toys, they seem to last the longest. So we'll see how long this one will be. I got some cuttlefish for their beaks. I ran out of cuttlefish recently, and I found that cuttlefish is by far one of the better, beak trimming instruments. I got 2 more new pigeon nests. Always need some of those. They're washable, they're reusable. A new box for the aviary, because officially Oliver and Alaka's box is done for and needs replacement. And then I found a really cool toy. This is actually where you put peanuts in, and it's all peanut feeder. So you put the peanuts inside the feeder, and then it'll entertain your birds for a little while. So yeah, that was our haul from Parrot Inn.